Hey folks, natapos ko na ang fantasy horror series ng Netflix na Sweet Home Season 2. And okay naman siya sa akin, kaya nga lang, mas gusto ko pa rin ang Season 1. I rate this 3.5 out of 5 stars. This follows the story of multiple subjects. Cha Eun-soo played by Song Kang as he navigates his way in the world na post-apocalyptic bilang isang half-monster o special infectee. Lee Eun-yu, who is played by Go Min-si, while she looks for Eun-soo, na-brand siyang isang murderer. Yes, may time jump folks after a few episodes. So Yi-kyung, played by Lee Si-young, who literally gives birth to a monster baby. Yes. In single mom pa siya. So, super hirap, di ba? And we have the Crow Platoon, a group of soldiers who are formed and tasked to eliminate the monsters. Kaya nga lang, after the time jump, they will be heading a group of, actually a large group of survivors in a stadium, and medyo military rule siya. We have a bunch of other characters na importante naman sa storyline somehow, but unlike yung mga nasa Green Home sa Season 1, I didn't really feel much emotional connection to them. Most likely because hindi naman masyado na-explore ang backstory nila and yung relationship nila with each other. On a positive note, mas gusto ko yung special effects dito. Mas bukang scary and ginastosan talaga. Grabe yung monsters. As in, super creative. Ang sarap niyang gawing makeup challenge. My favorite scene is when a soldier lets a baby monster go after killing its mom. And pinaalala niya sa mga tauhan niya na andun sila para pasalangin yung mga atake sa kanila, but not something na hindi nagpo-pose ng threat. While many people are saying na yung lesson na natutunan nila dito na some monsters can be more humane and some humans can be more monstrous, sa akin, iba yung take ko. Ang take ko is that the real monster ay yung pagiging selfish. And itong selfishness na to nagli-lead sa greed, nagli-lead sa capacity natin to harm other beings para lang masunod yung gusto natin. Kahit pa ikasawi nila. I am looking forward sa Season 3 sa 2024 dahil mukhang may bakbaka matindi sina Song Kang at Lee Do-young. I don't mean just their sexy bodies, but you know, yung pagiging most powerful nilang infectees.